Hi everyone! Today we came to the fish market here in Ulleungdo, and as you can see over there are some boats. Those are the boats that catch the squid during the night, and here you can buy squid for very cheap price, like maybe 5 for 10,000. So let's get us some squid.
This is bakedi kalkuksu. It's very yummy. I thought it would be salty, but it's kind of like sweet-ish. I would say a little. Very good.
Hi guys! It's our second day here in Ulleungdo Island, and today we're gonna do water activities all day. As you can see, we're in the water park and we're gonna have a lot of fun! We just finished the water activities for today. It was so much fun. I haven't swum in the ocean for such a long time. It was very refreshing, and we were very lucky because the sun came out and it was just a very nice experience. So much fun. 사랑해요, 울릉도. To ride a speedboat around the Ulleungdo Island to sightsee some nice places. Join me! like this.
좀 더 넣어야 돼. 더 넣으시고. 요 물만 내가지고 낚시도 줄게요. 손 내야 돼. 그렇지.
Hi everyone, so yesterday we tried fishing in Ulleungdo and we didn't catch anything, so today we're going to try again for a bit here in Ulleungdo. I think I'm not that good at fishing. They kept eating my bait and didn't catch any fish. They ate all my bait though. Hi! We're going to have dinner now and we're gonna eat yakso because the name of is like cow and medicine because the cows eat medicinal herbs, so that makes the meat special. Let's try it. Wow, really not really famous in Ulleung. Let's give it a try. They're so yummy. Hot, very hot. So good. With the rice, bibimbap. Hello everyone! We're here in the Hengnam Trail, which we are going to walk for a little while. This is in Dodong Port and it's a must-go place. You can see the view is amazing and you can just walk by the sea. Enjoy the weather and just some fresh air.
Oh, Maria, what's this?
This is Squid ink ice cream. Looks super good, right?
It smells squid?
No, actually kind of tastes like chocolate, I would say. Very good. Well, right now we have here squid ink bread. And we have two types. These ones we can find in a local bakery. They are super good, super yummy. And these ones are very, very famous. I think it says that you can find them in New York, London, Seoul, Busan, and Dokdo. So yeah, very good. Let's try one.
It smells squid.
No, it doesn't. Super good. But is it filled with cheese? This is so yummy, guys. Really, really, very good. Hello everyone! We have just arrived to Pohang airport. This is the end of our adventure today. I enjoyed my trip in Ulleungdo so much. It was a lot of fun. We ate delicious things. We did many crazy activities. And we came by the ferry. We arrived to the Pohang port and we took a taxi here to the airport. And now we're going to fly back to Seoul. So join me for next adventure. 사랑해요. 평상북도. We're about to start our flight to Seoul. It will take about 8 minutes to reach from Pohang to Gimpo.